Welcome to Best Disposal Tips. In this video, I will show you how to activate night light mode or enable night light on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel devices running the latest Android 16 or 15 version. You can use the night light mode feature if you want to use your phone on night vision, like if you want to read in the night on your device. You can use the night light feature that will helpful to reduce your eye strain and easily read in the dim light, also easily sleep using this setting on your device. To enable this night light mode, open the app drawer on your Pixel device, tap the settings app, scroll down up to display and touch, tap on display and touch, scroll down again. Here you can see the night light option, tap on it. Night light tint your screen amber. This makes it easier to look at your screen or read in a dim light and may help you fall asleep more easily. So toggle on this option and you can see your screen color dim. You can also increase or decrease the intensity of the screen color like this on your Pixel 10 series or any other device. Tap on a schedule. Here you can turn on at a custom time to automatically set, enable the night light mode, start time, end time. It will automatically activate night mode. You can also set a from sunset to sunrise. Make sure enable location to use this sunset to sunrise feature on your device, so you can quickly use the night light feature on your device if you want to use your Pixel device night. So very helpful feature to reduce eye strain or easily read in the dim light on your device. Also you can quickly enable or disable from the top of the line. That's it. Please like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.